In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve merge conflicts with Cursor AI. First, when you pull changes or merge branches and a conflict happens, Cursor will highlight the affected files in the Source Control tab. Click on a conflicted file to open it. Inside the editor, you'll see conflict markers showing the differences between your changes and the incoming changes. This is where Cursor AI can help speed things up. Look for the AI Assist option, or simply select the conflicted section and ask Cursor AI to resolve the merge conflict. You can type a prompt like "resolve this conflict" or "merge both changes cleanly." Cursor AI will suggest a combined version of the code. Review the suggestion carefully to make sure it makes sense, then accept the changes. Once you've resolved all conflicts, stage the file, add a commit message, and commit your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.